Bonjour, aloha, kaya na mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Luscious Taste, homemade by Franz. Hey tasters, it's your girl Franz back with another video. Today I am here in my kitchen and I will be showing you guys how to make an egg sandwich but with a little hack. Since nowadays only a few things are easy to find and get, like canned goods, we already did like kind of a series with that, which I want to make those tuna cabbage rolls again, but we don't have any cabbage. You can check that video up here. But another thing that is like easy to get and easy to find these days because you can just pull it out of the fridge or anything is eggs. Eggs. Today I have decided to attempt to like do a series that like includes me using eggs and turning them into the main star of the dish. If you want another sandwich recipe video, you can click up here to check out my Monte Cristo sandwich. It was really good. I should make that thing. I really want to remake some of my old recipes just for the tum tum. Okay, now let's start making our egg dishes. The first step to making our egg cordon bleu is to mash up our potatoes. For the potatoes, I used around 3 large potatoes. They were very big potatoes, let me tell you. Okay, now I'm going to set that aside and start beating up our eggs. In here, I have around 6 small eggs. I'm going to take a bit of salt and pepper to taste, and for seasoning, of course. I am now going to mix together our eggs and potatoes, and then mix it up. Nope, it's stuck to the bottom. Oof, my bowl is very small, but it's fine. Okay, I think we are done. It's a bit chunky, but it's okay. So it looks real good. Now let's move on to the next step, which is cooking it. I am now heating my pan up before I put in a bit of oil. It's a bit hot now, so I'm going to add in our oil so that our oil also heats up. Not too much though, just the right amount there. And I'm gonna swirl it around a bit. I'm just gonna let that heat up a bit. I think our pan is hot enough. Now I'm going to add in around half of our batter. Not too much, but not too little. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to spread this out so that we have like a nice even layer. And then I'm going to add in some ham. Don't go too ham with it, but don't put too little. I'm putting around 4 slices of this ham in here. There. Now I'm going to add in cheese. Hopefully this melts. Now I'm going to add in the last bit of our batter. I'm going to try to spread it around as evenly as possible. And spread it a bit with my fork, trying not to reveal too much of the fillings inside. Now we're just going to leave this to cook a bit and to make the cheese melt on the inside. Then we're going to flip it once it is cooked well enough. It might take a while, but you have to make sure that the inside and the outside is cooked perfectly. Okay, I'm now going to attempt to flip it. This is going to be scary. You know what? I'm gonna make my mom do this for me. I'm so scared. It is nice and flipped. It's a bit more brown to one side, but that's okay. I'm gonna add a bit more oil. Now I'm going to carefully slide it in. Okay, that looks good. And now I'm just gonna leave it there to cook. Our eggs are like being pampered right now. They're getting the VIP treatment. They're not just being sunny side up cooked or scrambled. They're being turned into this. Like, they're getting the VIP treatment. Like. Okay, we're almost done here. Hey. Okay, now I'm going to shut off our cooker and I'm going to transfer our little egg cordon bleu smugmajigger onto a cutting board. Ah! So scared. I can do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it is now done. This side is a bit broken, but it's fine. It will still taste really good. Now I'm going to cut this baby. Oh, okay. Oh. Ooh. Whoa, that's thick. As you can see, there's like a visible potato right there. You can see like the egg and stuff. You can see a bit of the cheese. You might not be able to see the cheese visibly, but trust me, you can definitely taste the cheese, the ham, and then the very top layer. Let's eat. Bon appetit! It's a chef kiss. All the flavors go together so well. The potato, the egg, the cheese, the ham, all of these layers turn into like one beautiful symphony of a dish. Like, it's so good. I urge you guys to try it out. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button and the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of any new videos that I post. Please hit that like button and comment down below any suggestions of what you think I should make next, and I will try to make it happen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching. Lush Taste, homemade by Franz. See you all in my next video. Bye!